How to change the background in NanoBanana AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you're in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change the background in your image, over here in this NanoBanana homepage, if you scroll down, here you can see AI editor option. Here you have two different options, image to image and text to image conversion. So select this image to image and tap on this add image section. It will let you choose the image from your gallery. Select your preferred image. After the image is uploaded, in order to change the background of this image, you need to provide the prompt. Here in this main prompt section, write a text prompt in order to instruct how you want to change the background of this image. For example, I would write it like, you can explain how you want to change the background in details. After you give the prompts, you can tap on this generate now button. NanoBanana AI will process your request and come up with the output. You will see the output in this output gallery section. It might take few minutes in order to generate the image, so you have to wait patiently. And that's it. That's how you can easily change background in NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.